first thing I'd like to do is show you how to enter our course and get to the syllabus. The syllabus has a lot of useful information. So I clicked on Canvas on the MJC website. Your screen will look a little different than mine here. Note that this is our course, the one that says Math 29 4010 section number. It's actually 4010 and 4011, but there's no way to change that particular title. So you get in, and we click on Syllabus in Canvas. And there's a lot of information here. This part of the syllabus, the first part, is kind of a typical part in that I wrote it, and it's designed to give you a lot of information. And I think it does that. Over here we have the different weights for the different parts of our course, and here it describes the things you should be doing and kind of when you should do them and how you should do them. It's very brief, it's very terse. It requires you to read instead of just showing you like these videos show you. But then down here below, notice if you scroll down, it has all the assignments and tests and when they're due and where they are and things like that. So for instance, if you come down here to exam 1, and it tells you when it is, and if you click on exam 1 from 8:30 to 10, then it tells you that it's in Yosemite 214 and it's section 4010, etc. If you were to notice, it also takes you to the calendar. The calendar is another way of seeing this kind of information. It's kind of useful. And so I would encourage you to familiarize yourself with the syllabus and make use of it throughout our 6-week course.